A growing service business operating at maximum capacity has a very specific breaking point. As dispatch queues fill and demands stack up, the infrastructure that got you to 10 technicians starts to break down under its own volume. Every day, your dispatchers are hit with a relentless flood of raw inputs. Customer requests pour into the PSA, alerts trigger in the RMM, parts are logged in inventory software, and internal updates scatter across chat. The problem is, these systems operate in complete isolation. Your PSA doesn't know what parts are actually in the truck, and your inventory log has no idea what the tech just discussed in a chat thread. When your tools don't talk to each other, your team is forced to become the system. The entire operation relies on who is working that day and what they happen to remember, replacing reliable workflows with daily heroics. Because of this, crucial operational knowledge ends up trapped inside the heads of your most experienced people. Instead of acting as multipliers for your team, your best technicians become massive bottlenecks. Meanwhile, management is blinded. To understand the actual state of the business, you have to dig reactively through individual tickets, meaning you usually find out about a problem hours after it was supposed to be solved. Relying on a hero culture to patch the holes between your software leads directly to dropped SLAs, a burned-out staff, and severe hidden margin leaks on every job. To fix this, you have to step back from the ground-level noise and restructure how information moves through your business. CommandOps sits at the center of your existing tech stack. Rather than replacing the tools your team already uses, it acts as a single source of truth, gathering the disjointed inputs and synchronizing them into a unified command center. While traditional tools focus on historical reporting, CommandOps acts as an active intelligence layer that drives work as it happens. At its core is the Ops Brain, an AI engine ingesting raw, disconnected data from your PSA, inventory, and field reports. It filters the noise, distilling thousands of data points into a single directive, telling your team exactly what needs attention right now. Growing a service business requires moving past simple data collection. True scale happens when you have a system intelligent enough to dictate your operational priorities. In practice, this intelligence structures the daily workflow for dispatchers and field technicians as they navigate a high-volume schedule. Instantly, the system answers the most urgent questions on the board. It flags exactly which tickets are at risk of missing their 99% SLA target today, cutting out the guesswork. Simultaneously, it identifies which technicians are actively blocked or overloaded, while pinpointing the specific client accounts that are generating low-margin, high-friction work. Armed with these insights, managers use a unified dispatch view to drag and drop assignments based on real-time field availability and data-backed priorities, ensuring clean handoffs. Those dispatch decisions flow directly to the field. Technicians receive customized, step-by-step execution playbooks, like baseline diagnostics and customer sign-offs, tailored to the specific asset they are working on. Embedding intelligence directly into the moment of work builds operational consistency across the team, reducing the need for constant management oversight. With your tools synchronized, workflows move in parallel, and every job, technician, and status becomes visible in a single view. Morning status stand-ups and manual data reconciliation are replaced by a system that updates as the work is performed. You finally get live operational metrics, like an 82% first fix rate and real-time CSAT scores that accurately match the work happening in the field, with zero spreadsheet exports required. CommandOps shifts your service organization's entire culture, moving you away from reactive firefighting and giving you the structural predictability you need to scale. Stop letting disconnected tools break your team. Bring your execution, dispatch, and reporting into one unified command center. This is CommandOps, the AI operating system for MSPs.